Hello everyone. Today I'll be teaching you on the topic titled the phrase. Now, what is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words that forms part of a sentence. What that means is that it is never a sentence. It is not a complete sentence that makes a complete sense or thought. It is not. It is a group of words. Also, it is a group of words that comes without a finite verb. So I'll quickly write the 3 things you need to have in mind when you need to remember what a phrase is. A lot of people struggle understanding what a phrase is. It is not difficult. It is just to remember the following, and I'm going to write them right now. Number 1, a phrase is a group of words. Also, it forms part of a sentence. And lastly, it does not have a finite verb. So, to remember a phrase, remember that it is a group of words. It is not one word. It's a group of words. Also, it's a part of a sentence and not a sentence. A sentence will make a complete sense. And lastly, it does not have a finite verb. What that means is that there is no verb in it at all, or there is no particular verb called a finite verb. In our next lesson, I'll teach you on what a finite verb is so that you can identify what I'm talking about. So in continuing with the phrase, understand that it is a group of words. So let me give you examples to explain what I've just said. These 3 points should be kept in mind to understand what the phrase is, and the following examples will make it clearer to you. So example 1, the young man is my friend. If I underline the young man, is it a complete sentence? No, it is a part of a sentence. If I underline my friend, is it a complete sentence? No, it is also a part of a sentence. So this is a phrase, the young man. It doesn't make sense on its own, no. My friend is also a phrase. It doesn't make sense on its own. So let's look at it. We've seen that it qualifies to be called a phrase because it is a group of words, according to number 1. Number 2, it forms part of a sentence. Can we see it as part of a sentence? Yes. And lastly, it does not have a finite verb. So let's look at this first phrase. Is there a finite verb in it? Is there even a verb in it at all? No. The young man. The is an article, young is an adjective, man is a noun. So there is no verb in it. Look at this phrase here, my friend. Is there any verb in it? No. So it is a phrase. Do we understand what a phrase is? I'll give you another example. I am a lovely daughter. So let's underline a phrase here. This is a phrase. This phrase is containing an article, an adjective, and a noun. So, is it a group of words? Yes. Does it form part of a sentence? Yes, it's part of this entire sentence. Does it have a finite verb? No. So, it qualifies to be called the phrase. Do you understand? So, in our next lesson, we're going